Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online. I did my first video when it came out, progress invoicing in QuickBooks Online about 10 years ago. So since then, a bunch of clients ask me, well, how to do it. So I'm just doing this again. Hopefully, you enjoy this video. So in this video, I'm gonna send my client, John Smith, $12,000 estimate for some software development work with the following progress invoicing. Well, first of all, progress invoicing is to create multiple partial invoices from a single estimate. That's what it is. You create one single estimate and then send out partial invoices. Multiple invoices. So that's progress invoicing. So in this case, the first one is to send out $10,000 estimate, and once the client accepts it, then you start sending first invoice whenever it's due, receive payment on that one, and then send second invoice, receive payment on that one, or not receive payment, just keep on sending invoices. Normally progress invoicing, they have, you send out first, get the money, second invoice, send out invoice, get the money, and then send out the final invoice and get the money. So that's the focus of this video. And leave a comment if you have any question, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online and go over this. Okay, so I'm on QuickBooks Online, and now I'm going to create the estimate for $12,000. So you go to the customers here and select your customer. So in this case, Jim Smith, John Smith, I'm sorry. Okay, so John Smith. Okay, as you can see here, you can write a notes in here. So it's a $12,000 estimate. First invoice $4,000, second invoice is $4,000, and third and final is $4,000. So this is for your own record. Okay, so this one there's nothing there. I just wanted to show all the transactions, what happened, how it will show up on the customer's profile page, customer's account list. Okay, so the first one is basically you just select estimate. This is a new transaction. And then John Smith, this is the pending one, see the estimate. And let's say this is the software design. And in here on the description, you may want to write down the first invoice, for $4,000. And the second invoice, you can ask for you can include the more details, the type, whatever terms you want to set up, you can just write it on the description. That way the your client will see right there, So this one is third, so that's about it. And so this one is the upon acceptance. The moment they accept this estimate, you will invoice the first invoice, and then that's how everything starts. That's a progress type. Okay, and just say it's a $12,000. Okay. So in this case, I may have a location in here like this, but you may not have anything. So okay, so it's basically $12,000. That's what it is. So I'm going to save this. I'm going to close, and you will see it says pending in here. See, it's a pending in here. Okay. And now it's right here. And let's say they accepted this one. Just click this pending, and the right drawer comes out. Create it on this, and then you need to take some action here. Underneath, mark accepted. Okay, and it will ask you who accepted this thing. It's a John Smith one or someone, And let's say they did it right away. Okay, so now it's from pending, it's the status is to accept it. See that? Okay, so now you just create first invoice for $3,000. Well, it's supposed to be 12,000. Let's see here. 4,000 supposed to be. It's. I'm just gonna select the. I'm just gonna select the amount. $4,000. Okay. Like this. Okay. And so create invoice for 4,000. See right here, right? Just create. And so now you're just gonna send this invoice. Okay, so now it's the payment terms. It could be different. Okay, let's just say it's upon receipt, due on receipt. Okay, so like this, and now you have a first one. This is the estimate one, the invoice one. Now let's say you receive the payment on this one. Straightforward. Let's say the payment was check, and let's say the account check number is 1234, and save and close. So now it started working on that one. So as you can see here, the flow, accounting flow here, right? No, okay. Okay, so this one is in here. Now do the same thing for the remaining two. Same thing. Okay, so now let's say this one is 1 week after that. Same thing. Let's say you received a payment on this one. See the progress in here. So this is what the progress invoicing is. To start with 12,000 and keep on going. And you got one last lap. Hopefully it's the right amount there. Let's see how much. Okay, so it's only 6 left. All right, that's good. Did compute the remaining balance there. All right, so let's say you want the final one is due on receipt. Okay, you got one left and receive payment. And they'd like to send you a check right away. Okay. It's done. How cool is that, huh? See, there's no overdue payment, there's no open balance, and your job is done. See, this is how the everything should flow. See, in here, you start with 12,000 and keep on going. You got an idea now. So now you are an expert on progress invoicing. Just do the business, and that should do it on the progress invoicing. I'm glad I'm doing this after another one for after. The first one came out 10 years ago or something. I did the first one. Okay, and after that I've done many. All right. So hopefully you like this video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you. Bye.